This GitHub called Sakana Runner will allow you to chat with Fugu, the latest AI model, which claims in the benchmark that it's better than Mythos and all the top models. It actually beats Mythos Preview, which is absolutely fantastic. The only problem that I've noticed recently is that it actually runs off of other models, meaning it actually runs using GPT, Claude and Gemini. You'll find this when you go to create an API key. It asks you, would you like a custom model pool? And then it asks you which models you want to use. So it turns out that Sakana isn't such a new LLM. It's not an LLM with model weights or an open source model. All it is, it's a model that routes questions that you have or requests that you have to smaller models like ChatGPT, Claude, and OpenAI. So basically, but if you want to actually chat to it, because I tried to chat to it and I couldn't, so I created this open source GitHub, which allows you, once you get this, just ask Claude to download it for you. It's called Sakana Runner, and once you get this, you'll be able to then chat to it, and it will give you a user interface where you can literally chat to it and just use it as well. You can't really build using it, but you can chat to the model and just see what it's like if you feel like it. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I do feel, I've been saying this recently a lot, I think there's a lot of hype around this model because it did so well in the benchmarks. But to be perfectly honest with you, it does look to me like there's a little bit of manipulation here. Since it uses other models like Claude and OpenAI and Gemini, it literally picks the best model for the job. It could be that it beat Mythos by using, let's say, Gemini 3.5 for this specific benchmark, and it beat Fable 5 for the terminal bench by using, let's say, OpenAI, and perhaps it beat Fable 5 over here by using perhaps Claude Opus 4.8 or somehow. But as you can see in the SWE bench, Fable absolutely destroyed it, regardless which model it used. And the reason why is because of what I've been saying, that it turns out that Fugu is not a new model. It doesn't have its own weights. It's just using older models, and you can see it in Humanity's last exam. You can see that it did not destroy Fable 5. And if you look over here, you can see that Fugu did worse than Opus 4.8, which makes sense because at the end of the day, it's using Opus 4.8, and perhaps in this specific test, it used OpenAI instead of using Opus 4.8, and that's why it couldn't get a better score. Absolutely interesting. Follow me for more truth about AI, the true news, not the fake hype.